Good day, Divergence traders. Today is Tuesday, September the 5th, 2023. So we're going to get into it here and check out the setups on NinjaTrader. Okay, what a mess on NinjaTrader. Look at this. I don't know, man. I wouldn't be trading that. We did have one setup, though. It was coming out of the UK session. So we got high and higher highs, just like that. And lower highs on the indicator, and we would have got in there right on the opening of this candle. Right there. Let's put on our beautiful little tool that tells us to be a good boy and a good girl to put on the stop and the take profit. So these are ticks, okay? Oh yeah. Let me just show you here. Yeah, right there. Oh, yeah, put it down a bit. Okay. That's where you're selling, right on the opening of this candle right here where the arrow is. And it went down 90 ticks and it hit your target. And I know I was saying the other day, you know, that you're more likely to have a higher, winning trade scores if you go for 1-to-1. Well, I've changed it now to 1.5. But I know it goes 2-to-1 sometimes or more, but it's not as as accurate as the 1-to-1. So anyway, we hit we hit the target with this one. This is on the 5-minute, and there's just nothing else here to trade. They just chopped. Oh my God, they just chopped everybody up, and I know that well. Okay, so let's look at the 2-minute now. Maybe I bet you there's some trades there on the 2-minute. Where is that? Oh, it's over here. Okay. Oh yeah, there is. It's like I thought. Okay. So we have a double top here. You see the line, right? I don't have to draw the line on. You can see it right here. And so we would draw that from right here to right here. And this is the candle that broke and closed down. Here, let me expand this so you can see it better. Okay, we'll put that right in the middle. All right. And I'm not going to put that on. Let's just do it like this. So if we sold it right here on the opening of this candle, okay, our stop goes to the where? The closest nearest swing high right here. Look at how they took the price back up. Almost hit your stop and then rammed it right down. Can you believe that? But you see what happened here? See? I myself, I would have got out somewhere, in here. Once it started bouncing, I would have got out. And it's telling you to get out. It's S3 right there. And it's also 15,450 right here. Okay? So you see how this 1.5, okay, did not hit the target. Oh, it's moved on me now. Right there. See? This is our target, 1.5 to 1 R, right? Didn't work. Okay, so is there one more trade here? A low and a lower low? Let's see. Let's take this from here. Okay. Let's see. Let me go like this. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. You think it's not divergent, and it is. It is, man. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Just like a beautiful lady right there. You see that? All right. So you would have got long right in here. Let me bring this back here now. Okay. That one was good, but you would have had to get out here, as you know. Okay. So anyway, here is the low and the lower low. Yeah, and this one's going up. See, let me show you. See, this one's going down. This one's going up. That's divergent. All right. Okay, let's grab that beautiful tool right here. We would have got in. Remember, we need the 5 to cross up over the 7. We need a nice solid candle breaking through its previous, you know, stair steps here, which is this candle right here. So you would have got long right there. And your stop would have been right to the bottom, right there. Oh, look at that beautiful trade. Woo-wee. It hit the target, man. It hit it. Yes. Gotta love that. Look at that, baby. Right here. Right there. Boom. It hit the target. Look at that. Awesome. 168 ticks, man, right there. Woohoo. That was awesome. Okay, let's move on now to the S and the P. All right. So this is the 5 minute. I don't see, it's very hard to find a trade here. I wouldn't suggest trading this on the 5 minute. I like it better on a 2 minute, but that's me. Same trade, okay, as the NASDAQ. This is the ES, okay. Yeah, right here. I'm going to show you something at the end of this video, after I cover all these instruments. So it might be a little longer than usual, okay? I hope you don't mind. It's all good. It's all you know, education, trader's education for you guys for free. Gotta like that. It's free. Okay, would have got in right here. Our stop would be right there. Oh, did that make it, or did it just miss it? I think it just missed it. Look at that. It missed it by like 2 ticks or some bull shit like that. See that? It missed it by like a tick. Of course, if you would have held on to it, but no, man. It's like the moving average crossed up over the 7, and look at this. Your stop's right here. It almost would have hit your stop. No. This here, if you didn't close it here, you know, it went back up. After it was like up here, I would have closed the trade. I did a similar trade like this I'm going to show you today. It's on the chart. Okay. So this here was a dud. Break even if you know, if you're lucky right there. And then, yeah, no, there's no trade there like that. There's no trade like this either. What about up here? Let's see. That's a double top, eh? Yeah. This is the 5 minute ES, ladies and gentlemen. And then we go down like this. Yeah. There's the divergence. Let me just grab that RR risk reward tool. So we would have got short right here. Our stop would be right there, and it hit the target. Look at that, man. Even, you know, for a choppy, crappy day. Look at that. Oh, whoa, whoa, what are you doing there? Okay, yeah, that's where it goes. 31 ticks. Now it says 34. Yeah, bitch. There. 31, 33, whatever. You got it. It was a winner. It was a winner chicken dinner. It happened quickly. I did this trade too today, right here. but I did it on, let me show you my trades now. Even though I'm not supposed to show you, but I did really good today, so I wanna show you guys. Okay, here we go. Right here. Right here, double top. Okay, I never did no trade over here. I only did the trades where it puts these little marks. And yeah, so I got short here. My stop was 9 ticks, and it hit my 13 tick profit right there. Boom, shallah. Now here's that one I was telling you about. Didn't work out. I shorted right here. Okay, it was another double top up here. See these two exactly to the tick right there. And right there, see? Right there. Drew it in. Right there, I sold it, and it went right down here. I was about to take it. I was just waiting for it to break through S2. Did it break through there? No. And it went back up, and I know you can't see the little gold arrow, but it's right there. So I got like 2 ticks on this trade. And then I went and made some breakfast, some eggs and whatever, and then I come back, and just as I come back, boom, it was right here. I go, oh, there's another one. Double top again. Here's the divergence, and I jumped in right there. I didn't even wait for this candle to close right here. I jumped in short, and it went down real quick, and boom, it hit the freaking target. Yeah, baby! So I made 36 ticks today. It was good. It was very good. Look, here's another trade, but I had enough. After that, oh, I had enough. You know, you can't trade all day, ladies and gentlemen. You can, but it's going to wear you out. You're going to, you're not a robot. You can't do it. You know what I mean? You can't do that. It's just very difficult. Like I'm not saying any names, but there's some streamers on here, they're on here all day till like 4 o'clock. Well, I know of one anyway. He's going to burn himself out, man. It's like, the best time to trade, everybody knows it. It's between 9 and 11. Okay? It's 10 to 11 right now. Yeah, that's it. The rest of the day, well, unless you want to come back and trade the afternoon, but some people, they trade right through lunch. They love to trade so much they can't get away with it. They turn an hour job into like a 6-hour job. You know what I mean? Anyway. Let's carry on here. So don't trade all day, well, do what you want. You'll do it anyway, but I wouldn't suggest it. I won't do it. As soon as it hit that target, boom, I was done, and it did what it did, and I'm not involved in it. And look at it. It's so choppy, crappy, right? So anyway, here's the trade right here. Oh, where is that? Oh, right here. Big stop on that. I bet you it never hit it. Nope. See? This is 1.5. If this was 1 to 1 R, it would have hit the target right here. So this is why I want to show you guys this, okay? Okay. Here's another double bottom, but it's not divergent. See? It's not divergent. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on to the pound dollar now, the 6B. Okay, let's see what it done here. Oh yeah, it had some trades, baby. Oh yeah. Let me get that line on there. Right there. That's a double bottom if I ever did see one. To the tick, baby. To the tick. Double bottom. And right here, see it? And I would have jumped in somewhere in here. I wouldn't have waited for it to finish. Well, I guess I could have and then just bought a dip. I don't know. Let's just say we got in and we bought a dip. So say we bought a dip in between this wick here. Let's say we got in right here. Big freaking stop, man. Yeah, see? 1.5 didn't work. If I used 1, it would work. You see that, ladies and gentlemen? Again, I prove my theory to be correct. It would have been a winner, like, trust me, it would have got out right here. Look, I'll even show you. Hold on. See? It was up here. Now it's here. It would have hit it. It would have hit it, man. You would have got your money. Okay, let's move on. Let's look at the euro now. That's the pound. Oh no, there's another trade. Hold on. I just saw it. Double top. Yeah, and we would have got short right here. Our stop would have been right there. Oh, this is the 1.5 here now again. Okay, because it's stuck to that setting by default. Okay, so let me show you once again. I gotta show you. I gotta see. It went back to 1.5. I gotta show you. Apply. Okay. Look at that. See? You believe me now, ladies and gentlemen? That 1-to-1 is your better. I'd rather walk away with points than walk away with unrealized points or points I had and then gave them back. You see what I'm saying? Believe me, I've been looking at these charts for so many years, man. And I know that the 1-to-1 will hit the target more, like 7, 8 times out of 10. You know? And there it is. There's the proof. Okay, let's look at now at the euro. What did it do? Oh, it has a double. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Hold on. Control Q. Okay. What did I want to use this for again? Okay. Oh, right here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Give me a sec here. We got a double top right here. It's the euro. Oh, sorry. I have one more before that right here. Low, retracement, lower low. Okay. And right here. Oh, is that a level one? No, it's not. There it is. See that? One's going up, one's going down. That's divergence. Yes, indeed. And let's put on our risk reward tool right here. I just love this tool. It's so cool. It's the best. Oh yeah, it's the 1-to-1 still, remember, right? It's the 1.5. That's why it's up there. If it was 1-to-1, again, I'll prove it to you again. And then I'm going to change it back to 1-to-1, I think, for my own use. Yeah, see, right there. See? There's the target now, right there. See? 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Yeah, so what would you rather have? That the target be up here and it doesn't go there, and then it comes back down and you get out at break even? Would you rather do that with your 1.5R, or would you rather take 31 ticks with 1-to-1 R? Have you ever been to see Billy? R. You see what I'm saying, ladies and gents? Okay, cool. That proved my point. But hey, it could be another day that 2-to-1 will work all day long, Marianne, you know, and we missed all those ticks. But how can you predict, you know, exactly what to do? You gotta like go, hey, go with the 1-to-1 because it seems to hit the target more often than 1.5 or 2-to-1. That's it. Okay. We got a double top here on the euro. We're looking at the euro now. The euro futures currency. What am I looking for? Oh, okay, right here. There it is. And the tool, yeah, right here. There, see, on that one, you got your 1.5-to-1 because it did a big move down. And it's still moving down. Okay. Let's look at oil now. Wow. Did oil take off today like a rocket? Oh yeah, man, like a rocket. Look at that shit. Went up like 250 today. Okay, where's the divergence for this trade? I don't see it. I don't see it, man. This is the 5 minute, and I don't see it. There's no divergence here. This one would have to be down more so this way. Let me just draw it on there and see if we could get away with it. Well, you could, but right out of the gate, 9 o'clock, it shot up like a rocket. Let me show you. How much did it shoot up? 156 ticks it shot up in that first 5 minutes of the open of crude oil futures today. Okay, I'm not counting that as a trade. I'm just not. You can't make shit up like that all the time. You missed it, we missed it. There's no trade. Okay, let's look at oil now on the 2 minute chart. Yeah, see, 2 minute right up here, see? Now do we have some divergence? Yeah, we do. We do. Let me make it bigger. It's not the best, but like this to like that. See, it's going down, yeah, from there to there. And then from here to up here. See, look. Yeah, it's divergent. Right here. See that? Going down, going up. You would have got in right here. The stop would have been measly nothing. Measly nothing. Measly. So you would have got in long right here and your stop was right here. Big whip-de-doo, 33 ticks, and that's on the 1.5. Yeah, see, nobody knows it's going to do this. So how can you know down here to capture it? You can't. Unless you were in it with no take profit and no stop and la-di-da. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, but there is divergence up here if you're brave enough to do it. It was divergent. Okay, would have sold right there. So we would have got short right there, and the stop would be 35, and the target would have been hit right there. See that? Isn't that beautiful? Okay, I'm going to show you something now. I think it was the... I'll just make a new chart. Just make a new chart, Jason. I think it was the MES. MES, yes. Okay. We're going on to the hourly time frame now. Minutes. Oh yeah. Okay, 60 and days to load. 100. Apply, okay. Yeah, that's it. Let me go back here and I'll show you some nice trades. This is on the 1 hour time frame, okay? We'll start from right here. How about right here? Okay. So, believe it or not, well, there is, but let's see. It's kind of going like up like that. Yeah, it's not, if I stretch the chart out, we could see it more in a normal pattern. But anyway, it still shows it. It's right here. Okay, there's the divergence. So I think we would have got in there, or let's just go in the middle of this thing, okay? $114 ticks. It hit the target. And then it kept going and going and going and going. Yeah. And here's more hidden divergence. Where is that? Right there. Yeah, right there to right there. And we would have got short right here. See, we need the 5 to cross below the 7. The 5 is the white line, and the 7 is the pink one, or whatever color that is. And yeah, and we need it to close down. We need a nice strong bearish candle to close lower, like it did. And then right from here to just above it is our stop. And if we click on this sucker, by the skin of our teeth, ladies and gentlemen, we got the 138 ticks right there, okay? That was a good trade. And then there's another one, just like this one, okay? Right here. This is the 1 hour time frame, ladies and gentlemen. Right there. And from there to there. Somewhere in there, just like that, okay? And we would have got short right here. Our stops were always at that swing high, and boom, we hit the target. See it? 112 ticks. And then down here, we got a low, a retracement, and a lower low. Boom. And you can see it here just screaming at you. And it has a big valley full of water, and then a little mountain peak, and then a little shallow valley with water in it, just a stream. It's screaming at you to buy it, baby. Screaming. So you would have got long right here. Your stop would have been right there. And did it go up here? Well, let's see. Let's see. Now this is a day. Each line here is a day, so this is a long trade. This is a swing trade, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? It needs to go right there. Yeah, got in there. Never went to our stop. Hold on. Oh. See that, ladies and gentlemen? 222 ticks right there. Took 3 days to get there, and it hit the target. Okay? Then, down here, here's another trade. So what's the whole point of showing you this on the 1 hour? Well, I'll tell you. Divergence is on any time frame that you choose to trade it on. I also want to really stress this to you, that not every instrument is divergent friendly. Okay? They're not. Like, I've found many stocks and other like say like the pound Swiss, or some weird exotic Forex pairs. I don't really trade Forex, but anyway, I used to. But so you can't just think, oh, I'm going to put it on this pair. I like this one. Or I'm going to put it on that instrument. I like that one. If it's not divergent friendly, don't do it. Don't trade it on there. The ES and the NASDAQ and oil are like the 3 best things you could trade it on right now. And that's why you see those instruments that I'm covering. Okay? And it also used to be really good on the pound right? And the euro. And that's why I'm covering those too, but they're not as good as they used to be. But I want to, I want to have some stuff to show you guys. So that's why I got the pound right here and the euro. I could look at more things, but I think that's enough. Okay. So we have, I'm getting ahead of myself. Yeah, that's really screaming at you to buy it. That little red doodah. Oh yeah, yeah. It's just a beautiful thing. So when we came back up and right here after that first candle, okay, our stop would go actually right here actually. It went up 140 ticks and it hit the target. Then we had another one, high and higher high. As you can see right here, down it goes. And then we would have sold it right here. Our stop would be right there. And it hit our target, 118. Then we have one more. We have a low and a lower low. And right there to right there. And our entry point is right here after this nice bullish candle closes above the two moving averages and closes near the top of the hour on that candle. So you would have got long right here. Our stop would be just right there. You think we hit the target? Oh yeah, we did. Here, I'll just be lazy and put this line. Hit the target right there, ladies and gentlemen, 2 days later. 224 ticks. And I'll show you just one more, and then there's nothing else really after that. It's just not really going anywhere. It turned to shit after that. Let me show you the last trade. It's hidden divergence. And it's right here. And right here on this candle, there it is. Hit the target right there. So anyway, once again, this is Jason Sweezy. I like to trade divergence for one simple reason. It works. Thanks for watching and thanks for listening. And if you could be so kind to hit the like button and subscribe, it's free to do so. I would greatly appreciate it. Good luck and good trading, traders. Have a wonderful afternoon.